All right, so to create a Google document, I have launched the search engine Chrome. I click on my little waffle here and I'm scrolling until I find Docs. So once Docs has been launched, to start a new document, you're going to click on this blank page right here and you can type away. I generally start with the title up here. So in this case, what I'm talking about today pertains to various technologies. And you can put that up there and start typing. I actually have already created a document. I've typed on it and I've gone and shared it with one other person. This does need to be a Google user, so anyone with a Google account will be able to see it. Once that is done, you can see what I have typed and kind of some of the edits that have been made. So we're making comments, we're engaging back and forth, commenting, and it's just a really great collaborative tool.